Of course it was raining. And this song just came out of nowhere. 1, 2, 3, 4.